जी नमस्कार नवीन। और आपने जैसा कहा कब्स ने यहाँ शुरुआत कर दी है। पहला रेड यहाँ बाईं तरफ से लगाने के लिए आ गए। पूरे 7 खिलाड़ी मौजूद हैं और इंतजार चल रहा है। देखिए किस तरीके से पैनी नजर से वॉरियर केसी भी देख रही है। वही जयपुर पिंक कब्स के यहाँ पर पहला पॉइंट मिल गया है। यहाँ पर
Let
एडवांस
us say
टैकल जिसकी हम
2
बात करते हैं
points.
नवीन, नहीं
Jaipur
करना है
Pickups.
वही किया गया
Jersey number 3
और
and
उसका
15 out.
खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा है वॉरियर केसी को। 3 नंबर और 15 नंबर के खिलाड़ी थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पे विदा किए गए हैं।
Perfect. He just attempted that bonus, but then that converted to be a toe touch, and the dash from the cover gives so much of an angle is Sahil Deswal. See, Puneet and Sahil, that's gone to 4-0 now, Navneet.
तो ये 3-0 से वो जो नंबर है वो 4 ले गया है और अनिल सिंह रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। भले यहाँ पर उनका
Bonus
प्रदर्शन
point.
अच्छा नहीं है।
That is giving us the numbers. I think it's our partners, the data partners, of course, I want to call them, Kadamba and team. Wonderful work from them. Beautifully orchestrated this storytelling. Because and now see when Sahil Satpal has gone out, so that is the story that I really want to emphasize and for the teams to understand is you have a raider who can be thrown into the grinder for a do or die raid. If he does well, better. If he does not, then your premium
1 point.
raider at least is safe on Kumar. Anil now. He needs to revive Sahil Satpal because the bonus is on and he can go in the first 10 minutes 68% for the Cubs on the raid strike rate, so they have done well and they maintain it consistently until the last 10 minutes. They completely have that control on the raid strike rate. So it is all 60%
Bonus
and above,
point.
which is
Jaipur
very good.
Pickups.
And that's why they are in the lead. He's got a bonus point.
यकीनी तौर पे अनिल फिर से एक बार यहाँ पे और पहले 10 मिनट में, और ये डेटा मुझे बहुत पसंद है नवीन। 24% पॉइंट आते हैं पहले 10 मिनट में और वहां पर आप देख रहे हैं 67% और 62%। मतलब जब इंजन गर्म हो जाता है, जब आप नई गाड़ी खरीदते हैं ना,
Jaipur
तो
Pickups.
कहा जाता
Jersey
है
number 3 and 15 out.
तेजी में मत चलाइए और उसके बाद इंजन शायद मक्खन जैसा पकड़ लेता। वही सेकंड हाफ में देखने को मिला है।
Yeah, now this is a good dash. But Anil was even. That foundation on the legs was not strong at all from the Panchakatri on that right corner.
और 10 प्रियांक यहाँ पे इंतजार कर रहे हैं। क्या अनिल अंदर जाएंगे, क्या यहाँ प्रियांक से पंगा लेंगे, देखने वाली बात होगी। और नजरें गड़ा करके दोनों तरफ रखे हुए।
Let us say bonus plus 1 point. Jaipur Pickups.
Manpreet.
Jersey number 10 out.
Man, not the way, not the way. Come on, Manpreet. There was a bonus attempt, and then he went in for the ankle hold.
Time out.
Yeah, there you see.
Jaipur
After the
Pickups.
bonus attempt, and I'll tell you what, I'll be the happiest person if the players prove me wrong. Navneet, you know that. And nice to see in the previous match, Abhi Kumar proved me wrong. And I'm happy for that. I'll be really happy because I want the players to do well. At the end of the day, for me, Yuva matters. And for Yuva, player matters. Right? So whether it's Yuva All-Star Championship or Yuva Kabaddi Series, for me, Yuva matters a lot. Wherever Yuva is. He's wrong. I will say, yes, there is a little mistake that's going in, but how can that be corrected? That is really important. You know, see now in a do or die raid, Anil has gone in, not Sahil Satpal. That's very good. There is a bit of an opportunity now for Anil to get a point, and he gets it. He gets it. This is the first correct do or die raid point for the Cubs. And see, when I say something which is not right, I will say what can be done to make it right. That is the person I am. This is come from my playing days as well. Everybody points out fingers, but nobody says what should be done right this time.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. The difference is for a 1 cup of green tea, 21 or 11. That is the difference. And 8 points, 12 और 8, 4 पॉइंट के डिफरेंस रहे। टैकल वॉरियर केसी ने कुछ खास कर नहीं पाया, सिर्फ एक टैकल और एक बार ऑल आउट भी हो गई है, तो उसके कारण जयपुर पिंकर्स को 2 पॉइंट मिला। 6 पॉइंट टैकल वहां पर आगे निकल गई है जयपुर पिंक कब्स। और वहां सक्सेसफुल रेड और सक्सेसफुल टैकल दोनों लगभग 50%। लेकिन सक्सेसफुल टैकल जब आप वॉरियर केसी की देखेंगे नवीन, सिर्फ 10%।
Issue.
10% में क्या होगा?
Issue. Yeah, Anil's raids, of course, first. And you will see how he's got his points. He's made sure that he's attacked the right corner time and again. And even in that super tackle situation, even in that do or die raid, he's gone and attacked the right corner. So Priyank Singh.
और ब्लॉक होने से क्या होता है, डबल आपको फाइन देना पड़ता है। और उसी तरीके से कबड्डी के खेल में ये देखिए, ये नंबर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। 21 से 30 मिनट में के फेज में कैरियर, माफ कीजिएगा, वॉरियर केसी ये कमाल करती है। और मुझे बहुत सारे डेटा दिखाए गए, डेटा पॉइंट युवा कबड्डी, युवा ऑल स्टार चैंपियनशिप में एक खिलाड़ी वो जो 9 बॉक्सेस में कहाँ पॉइंट लाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। और ये जो मिनट्स वाला है ये भी बहुत पसंद है, और ये अंदाज ये भी बहुत पसंद है।
2 points. Jaipur Pink
How did he do that?
Jersey number 15 and 5 out.
My God. That thinking ability on his toes. That is what it is. Anil Singh, after getting the Super 10 in this match, look at that thinking on the toes. He uses his toes to cross over. Boom. Yeah. Just strongly places his left leg over the center line. But himself is the Warriors Casey. So watch out, Cubs.
जी हाँ, अनिल यहाँ रेड लगाने के लिए गए हैं। लगभग 2.25 मिनट का खेल बचा है। उसके बाद एक छोटा सा ब्रेक होगा, स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट होगा, और वहां सांसें लेने का मौका मिलेगा। और
how much has he done in the second half? Well, in the first half he was not getting any points, but this definitely is India one star moment of the match, because he's reducing that score difference. Only in the second half. Our team, as always, very agile in telling us the numbers. They will probably tell us only in the second half how many points has Manpreet Pradeep got. I think it's more than 5. I'm just taking a wild guess. Deep Sharma, come on. Whatever the Raiders earned you. The defenders are like fixed deposits. They need to keep the deposit in and keep giving interests. Not lose out the deposit like this.
Red.
मनप्रीत के 5 पॉइंट इस मैच में, 31 और 25 का स्कोर।
There, the team of Kadamba, of course, managed very nicely by our assistant producer there, Tanmay. Thank you so much, guys. That is what we need. See, Manpreet Pradeep doing so much wonders, and a couple of points. Come on. If Warriors lose this, it's going to be their defense. Super raid. A definite India one star moment of the match here from Anil Singh.
देखिए फिर से यहाँ पे, जी हाँ,
yeah, Navneet, that right corner ankle hold was not needed. Yeah, India one star moment.
स्टार मोमेंट, लेकिन एक और स्टार यहाँ पे पुनीत कुमार।
Breathtaking, definitely breathtaking, and they took the breath away from Puneet.
Raider out 1 point. Jaipur Pink Cups.
Oh my God. Ankle hold was not strong from Dipanshu Khatri. The block was not strong. And there was nobody to take care of the dangling hand. They were stamping on his hands. Harbir Singh, once again, not having that strong dash, but unlucky. I should just say. Rachit Yadav went in with an unsettled defense of the Cubs. The Cubs were in a group discussing something. Rachit Yadav does brilliantly well. 2 points. That's light up this match. India one star moment of the match, definitely for the thinking of Rachit Yadav. What were the Cubs thinking? What were they doing? Standing in a group, discussing something. I don't know what. What were they doing?
They were having a green tea. Period.
Pinks can't have a green tea. Come on. That's why they gave away 2 points.
साहिल गलती नहीं हो जा भाई।
दौड़े मैंने को पूरा टाइम ले जैसे बुलाऊंगे ना,
हाँ।
तो भी आप 3 हाँ भीतर 1 नंबर लेके जाऊंगा, 2 तो रेड होंगे।
And we wanted to listen to Praveen Kumar. Aditya Duhan just wants to save the 3 points. Praveen's not much of a talker, is he? Just comes out there, keeps things cool and calm. But remember, the Cubs are searching for a vengeance. They're coming back after a loss against the Warriors, KC, in the earlier days of this championship. So it's very important that the Cubs take the revenge. As this goes back, good thinking. They'll have to make sure the defenders do something. There is that tackle strike rate also when the Cubs are with 3 defenders. Yeah, there you go. This is what I was talking about.
Raider
Wow, nice.
Super tackle,
Ease my trip.
2 points.
Super
Jaipur
tackle.
Pink Cubs.
This is really good from Dipanshu Khatri. Important.
Received 70
time.
rupees
They've
on
got
Google Pay for Business.
the man who's done all the damage in the second half, Manpreet Pradeep. I would want to know what is the super tackle numbers during the last few minutes. I think our data team Kadamba wants to play with us. I'll play with them. I'll give him this challenge saying, okay, come on, give me the numbers where the last 10 minutes, how many super tackles have the Cubs got in? Not much, but that super tackle is definitely a game changer. Definitely a game changer. Rachit Yadav, Navneet, he'll be called back. As I think the timeout has been called in from Praveen. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Timeout.
What a right time. Let's
Warriors
listen to him.
KC.
Let's listen to Praveen very quickly. Don't lena hai. That's what it is. We will go for the all out. And Praveen says, okay, try it. I'll tell you what. In the last 10 minutes, only one super tackle. That's coming from Dipanshu Khatri. In the entire edition, probably here for the Cubs. That's come at the right time. 2 points. Rachit Yadav. Brilliant work. He got 2. And he's got 2 important ones. Sahil Deshwal and Dipanshu Khatri. The officials are thinking that's going to be 3.
Raider.
Oh, Dipanshu Khatri and Sahil Deshwal, two important defenders. The Cubs don't have a review. Nice time to flash the review. That has been at him.
Raider save. 2 points.
2
Warriors
very
KC.
important points,
Very good.
and
Number
the
33.
Warriors want another. Only 2 points. They'll have to kill the clock. Oh, come on! What was I even saying? It's a 2-order raid. Even if they don't get a point, I think the Cubs have taken the revenge. It's going to be 36-38. They have not got a good day in the 2-order raids today, Navneet. What a way to end this match.
And he can enter and take a bonus point. तो 1-1 हो जाएगा. आप बोनस भी ले लोगे, आउट भी हो जाएगा, तो डिफरेंस 3 का बना रहेगा.
Correct. Hang on.
Number 20.
The clock
Number 20.
was
Number 20, Raider, please.
still running in. 2 seconds left. Ankle hold attempted. Rachit Yadav ran in for the all out to be inflicted. It was only Sahil Satpal about to get unfolded. And the match has been concluded where the Jaipur Pink Cubs have come out there.